Hi guys, welcome to Emily's Toys Adventure. I'm gonna be things rating, like whatever I can find. I already have 3 things that I already know, and I don't really know the rating, but I'm gonna see. Okay. So we have. Oh wait, let me just look at my. We have these like stretchy unicorns. My cousins gave them. Oh, shout out to Megan's Cake. It's really good. She's my cousin. I watch it. So shout out for her. After this video, watch that. So there's these stretchy unicorns that I really like. There's this blue one. Oh, anyways, you can stretch their heads, and you can also stretch their legs and stuff. Ooh, you can like squish. But you can stretch their legs like this. Oh, and they normally have tails, but then I broke them off. But it's okay. I really like playing with these. Oh, and you can also stretch this one. They're like one of my favorite things. You can also stretch these. There's a pink one. These are the rest are like somewhere in my house. I don't really know, but I have 3 right here. So there's a pink one, a yellow one, and of course the blue one. That's my favorite. I love it. And I also did a time where I can squish the pattern on that or stretch. And look, you can actually here. Look. You can look. Let me try to do this. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this, but you can stretch them. I'm gonna try to make it high enough. It might go. Do you see that? Do you see it now? You can like stretch them and they go somewhere. That. Okay. Maybe this is probably okay, I'm gonna rate these like probably a 10 because I really like these. You do a lot with them. Okay, so my next wait, no, actually I'm gonna give these the unicorns. Actually, I'm gonna give the unicorns a 7. I need to see where I go. Okay, and my second favorite. Oh wait, not my second favorite, just a puppet. They're the best things in the world. I'm not. They're like little. If you don't know what a puppet is, you just pop their bubbles. It's like literally, it's like reusable bubble wrap. Super cool. Then this is my favorite side. It's like the satisfying side. It's more satisfying than I do. That's a poppet, and this is a popsicle one of my favorites. And then it's just things that I have around me. It's this stuffed animal. It's a puppy. I named it Donut. I named it him. Her. Whenever I'm sad, I hug her. Probably a 10 out of an 8. I really like them. Actually, a 10 out of 5. Okay, I'm gonna find something. Oh, it's really cute. Wait, is this cute? Oh, I found something cool and cute. It's this little thing. Maybe I can find something that goes with it. I do not know, but you can see what can you? I'm gonna look. Stay right there. have two things. Okay, so you see this. Actually, it's probably just like a cute one. It's probably like this, like fuzzy little thing. It's really cute. You can play with it. Like I'm not gonna give you any spoilers. So let's see. Like it's gonna be riding on the unicorn, or popping the poppet at. Bubble can do that. Okay. So, or it can be hugging the puppy. You can really use these, and they're really nice. And when you first start, and they smell like bubble gum. Okay. Oh wait, I forgot to rate that. Probably a 10 out of 8. I really like this because it smells like bubble gum. Okay. And then there's one of these duck things. I really like these ducks because they have these like cherries, and they're actually squishy. Squish. Like, there's like icing and sprinkles. I really like it. So pink duck. And you can also use these at the pool. So probably a 10 out of 4. Cool. Oh, and then there's an LOL. I really like LOLs. Yeah, I love them. I have so many, but I'm only going to show you one. This little puppy. Oh, I guess dog. You guys look really closely. See that little blue thing? Do you see it? Look very closely. You can see a little stripe in her hair. Probably can't. You probably can't. But I really like this one because it's like ocean green. It came with a skateboard and like some sunglasses and a really cool water bottle, but I don't know where they are. Ooh. I'm gonna make all of them like turn into a group. Then they're all riding. This one's looking that one's in the water, and this one's just on him. Na. Okay, so then I'm gonna show you guys these. I would say that they're pretty cool because I draw tons of things in them, like this thing. Maybe there's a better one in this. I'm not a great drawer. I'm not the best drawer, but I guess this is one that I've drawn. It says, "Yay, this is a beautiful day." And then I said, and then pretty sure this is one that I do when I was little. I like the flower right there. Don't you guys like it too? You're probably wondering why this is my babysitter's name, Annabelle. Shout out to her. Because I wanted to write her name. I don't know why. I just, like, this is Annabelle. I do a picture of her. I like it. Is there any other? This is one that I drew a while ago. This little rainbow. This one I drew a long time ago. Like when I first got these notebooks. And I really like them because this one says, "Do not deny trust." I really don't know if that's what it says. I'm not a good reader, I'm a good writer. That's it. And then I really like this one because it has like tie-dye, and I like this one because it has uniform and all that stuff. Wait, it didn't say anything. Oh, I shouldn't say like, oh no, oh no, oh no. Say it with me, oh no. Okay. And I really like this tie-dye one. Yeah. So, bye guys, that's it for today. That's the things. rating. Oh, I didn't get to rate these notebooks. Maybe like this one's probably, I really like it, so like a 10 out of 10. This one's probably a 10 out of 10 too. In my drawing skills, 10 out of 10, I think. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching Emily Toys Adventure. Bye.